Let's draw an illustration of a souvenir shop in Tokyo. Using line drawings extracted from a photo. You can extract lines with either Clio Studio Paint Pro or EX. Place the extracted line drawings on top of the original image and color it. Then you can easily draw an illustration. I'll show you how to create the actual layers on the screen. The green index is the original photo. Place a black line drawing layer on top of it. Make the line drawing layer the reference layer and put some layers under it. Mark them in blue index. On top of the line drawing layer, place a normal layer for drawing the sky and trees. It should be indexed orange. Let's paint a slightly nostalgic looking store in downtown Tokyo. Use soft air spray to paint the roof tiles blue. There is a line drawing on top of the picture, so you can use the fill tool to effectively apply the color. Create the darkest area under the roof's eaves. Paint the walls and wooden parts with a light orange color. Paint signs, boards, posts, etc. in the same way. The color of the original photo will come out from under the line drawing. By applying the color thinly, the atmosphere of an old downtown house will be expressed. Make the glass window more bright. Lace curtains rustle as the breeze blows them out the window. Place another layer at the top to paint the flowers, trees, leaves, and blue sky. Use the green grass brush and the flower brush to paint the flowers in the flower pot. The empty flower pots have been combined with the photo. Choose Auto Select from the Tools palette and select the area around the shop building. Draw a thick tree with the tree trunk brush introduced from Clio Studio Paint Asset. By changing the size of the brush, you can draw both thick and thin branches. The tree trunks are painted in dark brown to give a sense of the weight of the tree. The textures of the brushes give the impression of a thick trunk. Draw the trunk of the tree well, but most of it will be hidden by leaves and flowers. But it is necessary to give depth to the illustration. Use the leaf brush to draw green leaves. Auto Select is activated, so the color will not appear in front of the shop building. Create a new layer just above the line drawing and apply a gradient in light color. The sky is now brightly painted. Painting peach blossoms with brushes from the Clio Studio Paint asset. There are hundreds of brushes in the Clio Studio Paint asset, which is very useful. The green leaves can also be changed in shape and color. The flowers and leaves are drawn on top of the building after releasing the selection. This is to add depth to the illustration. You can also add depth by drawing in the dark areas of the leaf shadows and the trunk. After the illustration is almost finished, put on the darker colors for the last time. This technique is also used in other paintings. Especially in watercolor, light is important, so if you put a dark color on the paper at the beginning of the painting, no matter how many colors you put on top of it, the color will not come out. You don't necessarily need to worry about this when you use layers to build up the colors, though. Applying a dark color at the end of a painting stimulates the senses of the human eye and gives a sense of the finished product. Let's draw a couple kitties. File, Import, Image. Rasterize the image. Make the area around the kitten transparent. Use the Fill tool to select a transparent color. Refer only editing layer. Tool, Move layer. Move the kitten to sit around here. Isn't this good? This is how I almost finished the illustration. I created an illustration of kittens sitting in front of a small souvenir shop in downtown Tokyo. The small souvenir shop is surrounded by pink peach flowers. It's a nostalgic illustration that reminds me of my childhood. Thank you for watching. More videos coming soon. I'll see you soon.